Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Saturday morning cooking class. We're excited because we have a guest with us here today. So, Mr. Brett's here to show us one of his favorite Christmas recipes. And so he'll go over what he plans to show us how to make and what ingredients there are.
All right. So today we're going to make peppermint bark. Really easy. Only a few ingredients. So, okay. You need white chocolate. We need the little peppermint mints, the red and white starlight mints. Close. It is, like so. And if you like, some peppermint extract.
So this, we're using a 12-ounce bag of white chocolate chips. And this is about 24 candies.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And we're gonna do about an eighth of the peppermint extract.
Yep. So. And before you start, you're gonna want a sieve.
Yep.
And something to crush your peppermints.
Okay.
Something good and heavy. Yep. All right.
So what do we do first?
So the first thing we'll do is we'll start melting the chocolate.
Okay. So you want to make sure you use a glass bowl.
Yes, you do.
Yep.
Microwave safe.
Yep.
Like medium heat for about a minute to start with. And then while that's going, you bust up your mints. Being in a freezer bag is helpful with something thick. You can double up like just a regular bag, but you don't want to send peppermint all over the place. So you're gonna give it a whack.
Sure.
Okay.
If they just let them. So how fine? Is that okay? Like how?
Yeah. So when you're busting them up, you want most of it to be a fine powder, but you want some chunks of the mint left over.
Okay.
So once the chocolate is all melted, you want to add in the extract. Oh no! There we are.
Okay. So you're putting how much?
An eighth of a teaspoon. Boom, like so. And then, what do? We need the peppermint and the sieve. So you just dump the bag in there. Do like that. So that the larger chunks get caught up in the sieve.
That's pretty.
It is pretty, right?
How much?
That's good. So then you just mix all that together.
Smells yummy too.
It does.
All right, that looks pretty good, right? All mixed up. And then you just dump it onto a parchment sheet lined cookie sheet. Thank you.
If they don't have parchment paper, can they use wax paper?
Yes, they can.
Okay.
Don't mind a messy pour right on the counter.
If it's clean.
Ask mom or dad first, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you just smooth it out as thin or as thick as you like. And just put your finger in it. Thank you, Miss Liz. Watch out, watch out. All right, that's pretty good, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, that is.
So it doesn't have to spread out to the whole cookie sheet.
No.
You just want it how thick?
Yeah, however thick you want it. And then you can, if you have clean hands, you can reach in or just dump in the chunks on top of the bark.
So if you want more, you could just double the recipe, right?
You could. It's a really simple recipe to either like make it your own, right?
Yeah.
And then just tap those down a little bit. Like so. And then you can either let it sit to cool on the countertop or you can put it in the refrigerator about a half hour.
Okay.
And yeah. It looks like this when we're finished. And then after it's cooled, you can break it up into as big or small chunks as you want. Yeah. and enjoy.
So this is called Holiday Peppermint Bark with our special guest, Mr. Brett.
Thank you, Miss Brett.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.
Oh, yeah.